Hi there everyone, welcome back to Infinity Drones. As you guys saw in my last video, we just received the iFlight Chimera 7 Pro V2 frame that's specifically made for the DJI O3 unit, and there we replaced the mipi cable with a nice long 20 centimeter cable that iFlight supplied. But now we have to go and update or upgrade the DJI O3 unit with the iFlight heatsink. So without further ado, let's get started. All the way in, camera housing is in, that is done all the way, cable has now been extended. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to add the extensions over there, and I'm also going to add the heatsink. I know the heatsink is supposed to come this side, as you can see the little lines of the bracket going down there, so this is going to fit perfectly over there. So just get your screws. Take the antenna off as well. And I'm going to take the whole heatsink off as well. As you guys can see, the whole thing comes off. But we're going to have to try and see if we can get this whole thing removed. Because it is glued on quite tightly there. Quite a difficult place to get in. Oh, there we go. As you can just pry it open. I'll put the camera or the heatsink fins going sideways because this is going to be the way it's going to be mounted, and I want the air to come from the sides in from the propeller side. So this will then just essentially flip straight over and go onto there. Like I said, I would like some thermal paste to be added with the kit because that's not a lot. So off camera, I've actually gone and scraped all the heatsink I could heat paste I could get there off and put it on my O3 unit as best I can.